Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Stephanie and I'm blind and I do not have a guide dog, but I do have this. It's the white cane that you're looking at. And so I do use the white cane. And this little girl right here is Baby. She is brown and she has white paws with a white belly and chest. And she's currently gray-headed because she's 15 years old. Her favorite things are scratches on her sides, scratches on her belly, scratches on her chest, dog treats, and sleeping. Her favoriteest thing to do is nap. I've had her since she was a little puppy. She was kind of a rescue. And I love her to bits. So join me and Baby as we show you what it's like living as a blind person. Okay, fine, so it's just me, but Baby's tagging along. Sometimes. Come on, you know you want to. It'll be fun, right? Good afternoon, everyone. I just ate donuts. I have icing on my shirt. Do you guys hate it when you get like icing or anything sticky on your clothes? I hate it. I was gonna film Simba, but when I turned around to film him, he was gone, so I guess I'll have to wait till he comes back. Maybe he'll be camera friendly? Yeah, camera friendly. Well, no, that don't sound right either. Maybe he'll be okay with being filmed. Hi, Simba! Where did you go? Anyway, he's a cute little kitty cat. I'll be honest, I slept a lot today because I've just been really tired. I don't know why. And the weather was really bad this morning, so I didn't do anything except sleep until it pretty much passed. And when I wasn't sleeping, I was reading. I had intended to do a lot of things today. I wanted to go to the store, and I wanted to go somewhere else, but I didn't do that. So maybe tomorrow I can do that.
Low screen curtain on. 20% low power close button. Camera take picture button. Stop recording video.
I'm sorry that the videos these last few days have been really short. Well, last couple of days have been really short. I haven't really done much that I feel like should be filmed. So I haven't filmed much, but I do feel really bad that they're like 5 minutes, 6 minutes. But the longer the video, the longer it takes for me to upload because of my internet. So that's the other reason why I've been keeping videos really short, for the most part. Really quickly, here's Daily Dose of Dog. My battery is about to die, but here she is. Oops, I scared her. I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. Hope you like this video enough to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're brand new. Ring that notification bell. Make sure it's set to all notifications. Leave a comment if you have something to say. Like my Facebook page and follow me on Twitter. Both of these are Steffi2010. They can be found on my YouTube page below the About section. They can also be found down in the description below. And if you don't like or follow me, I don't know. I was gonna say I'll make you have bad dreams, but that just sounds creepy. But definitely like and follow me, because I usually, for the most part, post the video for that day on YouTube. So definitely follow me to make sure that you can see the latest video. Also, while you're hanging out down in the description, if you happen to know a language other than English, there's a third link down there. It'll take you to a page where all of my videos are, and you can choose 1 or 5 or 12 or all of them or none of them. And if you know a language other than English, you can help me with closed captions. You can help me translate the video. Things like the title, the description, all that, into other languages. And if you can help me with that, I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.